Hello friends, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about something that I genuinely believe will define your entire engineering career over next 3 to 5 years. I have put up a very strong statement there. Most engineers don't know this. That's not to scare you. That's to tell you very simply that there is a gap. And the gap is widening every single day. The question is not about whether A will change your job. It already has. The question is, are you on the right side of the change? By the end of the session, you will know exactly what skill to build and how to start. Let's go about it quickly. The harsh reality is coming here. Let's start with some numbers that should get your attention. 40% of coding tasks today are already AI assisted. Engineers using AI tools ship 3 times faster than those who don't. And 72% of the companies are now specifically hiring for AI fluent engineering roles. Now, here is the painful part. Engineers who are only good at writing code without understanding how to work alongside AI are getting left behind. They are taking 3 times longer on the same tasks. They are being skipped for high impact projects. They can't build or leverage the agentic workflows that modern companies are running on. This is not a prediction about the future. This is happening right now in 2026. And the good news, we can fix this. That's what we are going to discuss here. Right, the skill. So, what is the skill? It is called Agentic AI Orchestration. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me break this down simply. An AI agent is not just ChatGPT answering your questions. An AI agent is a system that can plan, take actions, use tools, and work towards a goal autonomously. Agentic AI orchestration means you can design these systems, build them, and control them in production. Think of it this way. Right now, most engineers use AI like a calculator. You give input, it gives output. But the engineers who will be irreplaceable are those who can build AI systems that work like a team. The planning, the delegating, executing, while you focus on higher level strategy. That's the shift, and it's happening right now. Why the skill? Yes, why specifically the skill? Let me give you 4 concrete reasons. First, the demand is exploding. Every major tech, be it Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Intel, is racing to deploy AI agents. The engineers who can build and manage them are in extreme demand. Second, this is my favorite point. You have an unfair advantage. Pure AI researchers know ML theory but can't build real systems. Pure software developers can code but have no AI strategy. You, as an engineer with domain expertise, can combine both. That combination is rare. That combination is the moat. Third, the salary premium is real. Agentic AI roles are commanding 40 to 100% higher pay globally. I have seen this first-hand hiring in India. And fourth, the skill is the future. And most importantly, basic coding will be automated. Orchestrating intelligent systems is what humans will do next. Build the skill, and you won't just survive, you will lead. All right, I'm going to give you a 4 week roadmap. Enough of motivation here. Let me give you a concrete roadmap. Week 1 is about foundations. Understand how LLMs actually work under the hood. Master the prompt engineering, system prompts, chain of thought, few shot prompting, all these. Build your first AI powered tool, even if it's a simple command line script. Week 2 is about tool use and function calling. This is where things get exciting. You connect an LLM to APIs, databases, your own scripts. You build agents that can search, compute, and take action. You implement the React loop, that is the reasoning plus acting, which is the most important backbone of the modern agents. Week 3 is multi-agent architecture. Now you design systems where multiple agents can collaborate. A planner, an executor, a critic, whatnot. You handle memory, the short term, long term, and episodic. You use frameworks like the LangGraph or Crew. Week 4 is production and your domain. This is where you specifically have an edge. Deploy agents for your specific domain, whether that's from embedded systems, IoT, DevOps, whatever your expertise is. Add guardrails, evaluation, and monitoring. And most importantly, build a portfolio project and ship it. Let's get into real world use cases quickly. In embedded systems, my own domain, AI agents are being used to auto-diagnose hardware faults, write test scripts, and suggest circuit fixes. What used to take a senior engineer days, now agent takes minutes. In DevOps and MLOps, agentic pipelines are monitoring models, detecting drift, retraining, redeploying entirely without human intervention. In manufacturing, multi-agent systems are coordinating quality control, supply chain alerts, and predictive maintenance all simultaneously. In software development, AI agents are reading pull requests, writing tests, fixing bugs, and opening new PRs while you sleep. In IoT and Edge AI, which is directly relevant to many of you, distributed agents are managing sensor networks, making real-time decisions at the edge. Every one of these is a domain where you can specialize. You don't need to boil the ocean, pick one and go deeper. Now, tools to master. Let me tell you how exactly and what exactly you have to learn. Here is the 2026 Agentic AI tech stack. For LLM APIs, start with OpenAI GPT-4o or Claude Sonnet. If you want to go local, Olama with Mistral is excellent for edge use cases. For agent frameworks, LangChain and LangGraph are the most widely used. CrewAI is fantastic for multi-agent collaboration. Microsoft's AutoGen is an excellent system for research-grade items. Pick one, go deeper, then explore for others. For memory and retrieval, Pinecone or VV8 for cloud, ChromaDB or FAISS for local, and Memo if you want persistent long-term memory for your agents. For deployment, FastAPI with Docker is your best friend for wrapping agents as services. AWS Bedrock agents and Hugging Face spaces are great for hosted deployment. You don't need to master all of these at once. Focus on LangChain plus one LLM API in the first month. That's enough. And that's enough to build real impressive things. Okay, your unique advantage. I want to spend a moment on the slide because this is the insight that most of the people miss. Look at the three boxes. AI researchers on the left, they know theory. Yes, they know theory. They can train models, but they lack engineering depth and can't build production systems. Software developers on the right, they code well, they ship fast, but they have no AI strategy. And frankly, that kind of work is being rapidly automated. Now look at the middle. That's you, an engineer with deep domain expertise who also knows how to orchestrate AI comes here. You understand the problem space that the AI researcher does not. You can build production-based systems, production systems that the pure AI theorist cannot do. And you are not replaceable by a coding autocomplete tool because you are operating at a higher level of abstraction. This is what I mean when I say irreplaceable. It's not about being the best coder, friends. It's about being the one person in the room who understands the problem deeply and can deploy AI to solve it intelligently. All right, start today. Your three actions. Let's land this plane with three specific actions you can start taking today. 1. Master prompt engineering this week. Just 1 hour a day. Work with Claude or GPT-4o. But here is the key. Don't practice on toy problems. Practice on your own domain. If you work in embedded systems, prompt the model on embedded challenges. If you are in DevOps, use it for your actual workflows. Domain-specific prompting is 10 times more valuable than generic practice. Action 2. Build one agent this month. Pick a real, boring, repetitive task in your actual job. Then build an agent to automate it using LangChain or CrewAI. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be even need to work flawlessly, but it just needs to be existing. Yes, because the moment you ship your first agent, you will understand more than you ever could do from reading and watching. Action 3. Document and share your journey. Every agent you build is a portfolio gold. Write a LinkedIn post, write a blog, or better yet, make a YouTube video about it. visibility compounds faster than skill alone. In this era, being known for building agentic AI is a career accelerant. Yes. Let's go to the final slide, the closing call to action. Here is the truth I want to leave you with. The future does not belong to engineers who use AI tools. It belongs to engineers who can think with AI. There is a massive difference between a consumer of AI and being an architect of AI. You now know what the skill is. You have the roadmap. You have the tools. The only thing left is to start. If you found this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button because I'm putting together a full series of agentic AI specifically for you all. We are going from zero to building and deploying real multi-agent systems step by step. Thank you very much for watching. As I requested, please subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the chat section. I'll be very happy to answer them. Thank you.